Hey YouTubers, thought I would do a quick unboxing. It's been a little while since I've done one. I'm pretty excited about this item. It's something I've put off for a long time, but finally decided to spend the big bucks, or the semi-big bucks, and upgrade. Give myself something a little nicer to use. And that something is Really Right Stuff BH-30 tripod head. So let's have a look at this baby. This is the product box as opposed to the mailing box, obviously. And how do you open it? It's a mystery. Okay. Inside we have, looks like some instructions. Yes, it should be fairly obvious how to use this tripod head. All of their heads, as I understand it, this is my first Really Right Stuff head. They come with a nice head cover. I don't know, what would you call this thing? Head protector? I don't know. Looks like they have one size of these head bag things, no matter the size of the tripod head. That's fine. Here is the head. It's a very compact head. Super nice. I ordered it with an Arca-Swiss compatible clamp that uses this screw mechanism to fasten it as opposed to flip lock. I tend to like the screw mechanisms because they're positive and simple, and I have them on all of my ball heads. So let me get some of this stuff out of the way here. Why did I get this head? Well, you may recall in a prior video I was demonstrating out shooting with my Chamonix 4x5 camera, and I commented that I hate the head on the tripod, and the tripod that I was talking about is this one here. Now, I actually love the tripod. This is a Gitzo 1500 series tripod, so it's their smallest, most portable travel tripod. It's awesome. This head is an abomination. I think any head that doesn't have a separate pan control is an abomination. This head has one tension control, and that controls both panning and the position of the head, or the tightness of the ball itself. I found this to be really frustrating because if I needed to just turn the camera a little bit, I had to run the chance of getting the ball out of whack with where I originally had it set. I guess it's a nicely made head. It's just functionally not what I wanted. The other thing I hated was the clamp that came with it. It was very specific to Gitzo. So I really didn't prefer that. I found it to be clunky, even though it was positive and locked in, and it had some protection on it to keep the plate from accidentally sliding out. I hated it, and so as you can see, I have an aftermarket Hejnar Photo Arca-Swiss compatible screw clamp. So this is something I did to make it something I could stand to use, and as it turned out, I kind of wasted my money because I really can't stand to use this head due to the one tension control. So this is going to go on here, and it's more compact. So I think this is going to be a big win. So what's the deal with this? It's very simple. It's got one tension knob, learning it as I show you. So it's just got one tension knob for the ball itself. That feels fairly stiff. Probably fine once you have some weight on it, and once it gets moved around a bit. It's loosening up right now as I do this, and especially once you get some weight on it, it'll be fine. So separate ball tension and separate panning control. That's the whole reason I got it. Well, also because Really Right Stuff has a really great reputation, and I wanted to try one. I am an Arca-Swiss fan. Two of my other heads are Arca-Swiss heads. Arca-Swiss doesn't make a head this small, so this was, for me, the best option to try at the high end of tripod heads. So I'm pretty excited to use it on this tripod. and I'll report back once I get more experience with it, just how much I like it. And as I've said, I think in other videos, I've got a lot of tripods, a lot of heads. I need to do kind of a video of just, here's all my tripods, here's what I use them for, and here's the ones I'm going to get rid of. Anyway, that's it. The unboxing, really right stuff, BH-30 with the screw clamp. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. Well, bummer. I just spent a few minutes out in the garage doing a little surgery to get the Gitzo head off of the tripod. Unlike most tripod heads, it didn't just screw right off. It actually required taking this lock nut off. And that lock nut was holding it onto this collar here. So once I got it unscrewed, I realized, wow, the bolt that would normally be on the tripod side and that you would screw the head onto is kind of part of the Gitzo head. I think it'll come out. There's a nut on it here. I tried going at it with a wrench and had no luck. I don't know if the bolt looks the same on the other side up in the body here. I kind of doubt it. I don't know what to expect. So I feel like I'm going to need a piece of threaded material like this. That's the right size. I'm not sure what this is. But anyway, it would have to be like that. For now, I could make a push me, pull you tripod head, but that probably wouldn't be all that useful. Anyway, it's funny, best laid plans of mice and men. Anyway, I'm not going to be able to put this head to use right away. However, you can see that it will be a pretty compact setup if I can figure out how to get it on here in a reasonable manner. There you go. I'm a little disappointed. I'll figure it out. See you.